When you hear the sirens or anti-aircraft guns, you must get under cover at once. You must not stand staring up at the sky. That's the most dangerous thing to do. Take cover at once, but there's no need to rush. If you take things quietly, you will prevent panic in others. If you're in the open with no cover, lie down, preferably in a ditch. If you're within 5 minutes of your home, go home, but keep away from the windows. If you're in a car, get off the main road to leave it clear for the defense services. For the same reason, park as near to the curb as possible. And if you're motoring at night, never forget to carry your gas mask. Always remember to see that your blackout is as black as soot. But the most important rule of all is never to stand staring at the sky. If you don't take cover, you may get hurt.
August 24th, 1940.
This is Trafalgar Square. The noise that you hear at the moment is the sound of the air raid sirens. I'm standing here just on the steps of St. Martin's in the Fields. A searchlight just burst into action off in the distance. One single beam sweeping the sky above me now. People are walking along quite quietly. We're just at the entrance of an air raid shelter here, and I must move this cable over just a bit so people can walk in. I can see just straight away in front of me Lord Nelson on top of that big column. There's another searchlight just square behind Nelson's statue. I'll just let you listen to the traffic and the sound of the siren for a moment. Just a few people here walking rather hurriedly toward the air raid shelters. Some of them casually. A man stops in front of me to light a cigarette. Here comes one of those big red buses around the corner. Double-deckers they are. Just a few lights on the top deck. In this blackness, it looks very much like a ship that's passing in the night, and you just see the portholes. There goes another bus. More searchlights come into action. You see them reach straight up into the sky, and occasionally they catch a cloud and seem to splash on the bottom of it. The little traffic lights here, just a small cross on the normal globe, are now red. The cars pull up and stop. I'll just ooze down in the darkness here along these steps and see if I can pick up the sound of people's feet as they walk along. One of the strangest sounds one can hear in London these days, or rather these dark nights, just the sound of footsteps walking along the street, like ghosts shod with steel shoes. A taxi draws up just in front and stops, just waiting for that red light to change to green while the sirens howl. There it goes, and the cars move off. More searchlights are in action. We've not yet seen any burst of anti-aircraft fire overhead. An air raid warden walks out of this shelter. The shelter here, you know, is the crypt underneath this famous old church just on the edge of Trafalgar Square. The crypt where in days of peace homeless men and women were able to find a night's lodging.
Elsie and Doris Waters, the famous Cockney pair, go the rounds of East London, helping to form street savings groups. Gert and Daisy have a ready audience for their line of sales talk.
I know it's a bit of a shock for you, but that's...
You should turn around and look at Miss Waters. Put your aim on your acne.
We want you to start these saving groups down your street, see? All you've got to do is to get a foreman first. They call them secretaries, but don't take no note of that. Get a foreman, and then every week he'll sell you a sixpenny or a half-a-crown stamp. You stick it in a book. When his book's full, you take it to the post office, get a 15-shilling certificate, and in 10 years' time, it comes to £1 and sixpence.
Money for jam,
money for jam. So we want you to lend your money to the army, because my Gert's in it, see?
And lend your money for my poor old Wally in the Navy.
That's right.
Yes.
He likes it, doesn't he,
Oh, he
Gert?
loves it. He's going to take it up seriously when the war's over.
Yeah, isn't it cool? And then lend your money to the RAF.
Yes.
I wish my Bert was in the RAF.
Yes.
Wouldn't it look lovely in blue, eh?
Yes.
Match his eyes, wouldn't it?
Does his Bert ever travel by air?
Yeah, only once when the stork brought him.
Oh, aye, that's right.
So the motto is, girls, save, save, save. See? Save a little sugar, save a little tea, save a bag of bread, win each day, and that brings victory. Save a little sunshine, save a little cheer. Shout we're not downhearted, for the whole darn world to hear. Have all your money and old Hitler we will whack, and save your love and kisses till the boys come marching back. Cheerio, good luck, and do your best. Cheerio.
Every Friday on the farm is rabbit pie day, so every Friday that ever comes along, I get up early and sing this little song. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, 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 run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't give the farmer his fun, fun, fun. He'll get by without his rabbit pie. So run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, 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 run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't give the farmer his fun, fun, fun. He'll get by without his rabbit pie. So run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run.
Viva la quinta brigada, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Viva la quinta brigada, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Que nos cubrirá de glorias, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Que nos cubrirá de glorias, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Luchamos contra los moros, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Luchamos contra los moros, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Mercenarios y fascistas, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Mercenarios y fascistas, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. El ejército del Ebro, rumba la rumba la rumba la. El ejército del Ebro, rumba la rumba la rumba la. La otra noche el río cruzó, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. La otra noche el río cruzó, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Ya las fuerzas invasoras, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Ya las fuerzas invasoras, rumba la rumba la rumba la. Buena paliza le dio, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Buena paliza le dio, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. los frentes de Granada, rumba la, en los frentes de Granada, rumba la, no tenemos días lunes, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. No tenemos días lunes, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Y tenemos días martes, rumba la, y tenemos días martes, rumba la, con los tanques y granadas, ay Carmela, ay Carmela. Con los tanques y granadas, ay Carmela,